In this video, I'll guide you through how to record your screen on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, you need to open a web browser and search for OBS Studio. Now click the first website. Now you need to choose your operating system and click on this button. Then OBS Studio will start download on your computer. When the download process is complete, then you need to install it on your PC. After finish the installation process, OBS Studio will launch on your computer. Now you need to click on this plus icon to add a scene. Now give this a scene's name and hit OK. Now you need to add source for your video. To add source, first click on this plus icon. Now if you want to capture your display, then select display capture and give this a name and hit OK. Now you need to choose your display and click on OK. Now if you want to add your microphone, then again click on this plus icon and choose audio input capture and hit OK. Now click on device and choose your microphone type. And if you want to add a camera, then again click on this plus icon and choose video capture device and hit OK. Now you need to choose your camera and hit OK. Now customize the camera. Now you need to finish another few simple steps. To do this, click on settings and click on output. Now you need to choose your recording path. That's mean where all of your screen recording video will be stored. To set a path, click on browse and choose the folder. Now click on video and choose your aspect ratio. Once you finish with it, then click on apply and then OK. Now if you want to start your recording on Windows 11, then click on start recording button. Once you finish your recording, then click on stop recording. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily screen record on Windows 11.